The former Williamson County District Attorney is one step closer to being investigated for a wrongful conviction 20 years ago. Judge Ken Anderson was the prosecutor for the case. He's accused of hiding evidence in the case against Michael Morton, who was finally cleared of the crime last year. KXAN's Chris Sadeghi was in the courtroom and joins us live. Chris, what does this mean for the judge's future?
Well, Robert, he's like anyone else. He's innocent until proven guilty, but today's ruling is a big step towards a court of inquiry that could prove that guilt or innocence. Michael Morton was in the courtroom today. The Innocence Project submitted a report back in December with all the allegations of how Anderson stepped out of bounds and how it led to an innocent man being locked up for 25 years. They say they want to find out what happened to make sure it doesn't happen again. Anderson's attorneys argued that the judge in this case, Sid Harrell, was outside his jurisdiction and that Anderson was never given an order to present certain evidence 25 years ago, and that a court of inquiry was uncalled for. But the judge disagreed. He said he did have the right, and he signed the probable cause affidavit recommending a court of inquiry. Anderson's attorney said afterward it's a chance to clear his name. Michael Morton had his own opinion about it.
I'll be very brief. But when you do the right thing, as the judge did today, everything else falls in place. It's just a matter of time.
I heard the judge say that this was going to be as much an effort to allow Judge Anderson to clear his name as anything.
Now, today's ruling does not guarantee a court of inquiry will happen. That decision will be made by the Texas Supreme Court. They will look at this, determine if and when an inquiry will be taking place, and also what judge will preside over it. We're live in Williamson County. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.